where can you hear local music from bands like The Fugitives, Cap Gun Alliance, Belfast Six Pack, and Triumph Under Fire. Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Are you ready, Greenville? For Rock Fest 3, October the 17th at 9 p.m. The Hyperion Grill welcomes Promise the World, Vent to Break, Scent of Remains. And as always, there's never a cover at the Hyperion. Must be 21, ID required. You're not going to want to miss this one.
Hey, this is Josh from A Fleeting Farewell. You're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
I see her looking at you while this dance floor is a crowded mile, and I'm standing in the line of fire. She sees me as that dorky friend who has no backbone in the end. She complains about her boyfriend. I listen. No need to complicate this. It's just an innocent kiss. I like it when girls kiss girls. Ask any guy in the world. I love it when girls kiss girls. I get excited. I like it when girls kiss girls. Ask any guy in the world. I love it when girls kiss girls. I get excited. I wanna be invited. These chicks are going at it harder. The ice in my drink turns to water. Does it taste just like a cherry chapstick? My pants are swelling and it hurts. It's time to untuck my shirt. Think I'm getting overstimulated. The whole world needs to see this. The headlines all we're reading. I like it when girls kiss girls. Ask any dude in the world. I love it when girls kiss girls. I get excited. I like it when girls kiss girls. Ask any bloke in the world. They love it when girls kiss girls. Wanna get excited. I wanna be here. No need to complicate this. It's just an innocent kiss. I like it when girls kiss girls. Ask any boy in the world. I love it when girls kiss girls. I get excited. I like it when girls kiss girls. Ask all your mates in the world. I love it when girls kiss girls. I get excited. Mikey likes it when girls kiss girls. Yeah, boy. And Dragon Eric definitely loves it when girls kiss girls. I like it when girls kiss girls, but I've never done it.
You are listening to the best in local music radio on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hyperion Bar and Grill, 1759 East Andrew Johnson Highway, Greenville, Tennessee, presents Halloween Bash 2015 featuring Cap Gun Alliance. and special guests Sandy Ray and Steve Winslow. That's October the 31st at 9 p.m. And as always, at the Hyperion, there is never a cover. Must be 21 and ID is required. Captain Alliance will have a special surprise for everyone that night. Get ready to party, Greenville.
This is Brandon Malone with Promise the World, and you're listening to Tri-City's local music radio.
Here's a time devised. Sweet Meditations.
Pieces of you broke over me, drowning out what's left of all your memories. Is it any wonder that you let me be? Is it any wonder you weren't there for me? You left me cold inside, I'm paralyzed and wake me. This is my design from everything you made me. You turned my heart into a stone so you can break me. Now there's nothing left to hide that you've not taken. Close the door now on these broken dreams. Love is an illusion of just what it seems. Is it any wonder that you watch me bleed? Is it any wonder that you're dead to me? You left me cold inside, I'm paralyzed and wake me. This is my design from everything you made me. You turned my heart into a stone so you can break me. Now there's nothing left to hide that you've not taken. This is my design from everything you made me. You turned my heart into a stone so you can break me. Now there's nothing left to hide that you've not taken.
Where can you hear local music from bands like The Fugitives, Cap Gun, Alliance, Belfast, Six Pack, and Triumph Under Fire? Only on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Hey, what's up? This is Nikki with the band Lucid Fly, and you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Your season's after, weathered and worn.
You are listening to the best in local music radio on Tri-City Local Music Radio.
October the 16th at 9 p.m., the Casbah, 807 West Walnut Street, Johnson City, Tennessee, presents Dysfunction, Damage Done, and Triumph Under Fire. Admission is $10. This is an 18-plus show.
This is Justin Hageman.
Brandon Bain of Belfast Six Pack.
And you're listening to Tri-City Local Music Radio.
Here's Inward of Eden. Consequence is a glitch.